Okay, so hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step guide as to how to add a Facebook like ad campaign to make it so that you can get Facebook likes for as little as 0.003 or 0.004 cents. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing and it's definitely worth doing, because even if you don't target it so that it's people that are going to buy your products and services that like your page, if you just get thousands and thousands of page likes so that your potential customers and clients think, oh, they look good, it just makes it a lot better. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, this is the Black Brick Training Facebook page adverts manager. It's at facebook.com/ads/manager. So that's all you need to do. That's where you need to go to make an advert. And from there, all you need to do is click create advert. So I'm going to do that now, create advert. And then from here, all you want to do is click engagement. This one just here, the one underneath traffic that says engagement. So click that. And then down here, all you want to do is click page likes. So the reason we're going to pick page likes is so that when people see the ad, it says like this page. So it gives them the option to like the page rather than click a link sending it to your website or anything like that. So we're going to name it page likes, and then we're just going to title it the campaign. We're just going to title it cheap page likes, and then click continue. And then after there, you just want to click the advert set name. I'm just going to title that cheap likes, and I'll do Black Brick just so I know what page it's for. And then I'm going to select my Facebook page. There we go, you can see that we've selected Black Brick Facebook page. You can select anyone you want just by clicking it and selecting the one you want to pick. And then as you can see down here, you choose the audience which you're going to send the advertisement to. So let's just do this. As you can see here, we've already got some of these interests in here. What we're going to do is just delete all of these, and then we're going to change the age to 13 to 30 so that it's reasonably young people. And after that, we're going to pick a language, and that is going to be English. English all. So that's English UK, English US, anywhere that speaks English, basically. Anyone that speaks English. So then after that, we're going to remove United Kingdom from here and type India. And then Pakistan. And then Nepal, or Nepal. I can't actually pronounce some of these countries, which is a bit silly. Nepal with an E, not an A. And then we will add Indonesia. So I really can't spell these countries. Indonesia, Philippines, and then Serbia, Bangladesh, and Morocco. Now what these are is the fact that I have researched the cheapest countries that have English speaking people in. Now that doesn't mean they actually do speak English, it just means that their Facebook account is set to English. So where we selected English down here, that means that all of these people we select, even if it's from these countries, all of these people should be able to speak English. So yeah, all of these countries are the cheapest people to advertise to that speak English. So that's why I have researched these countries. And then we have Bangladesh. There we go. And Egypt. Awesome. And Romania, Tunisia, Algeria. And Algeria. And then finally, we're going to exclude California in America, as that is a very expensive place to advertise to, as that's where obviously there's LA, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, all these different places, San Francisco. As you can see, it's a very expensive place to advertise to, so we're just going to make sure it does not advertise to there. So yeah, now we're going to save that. You don't have to click save yet, don't worry. And then just scroll down. And then what we're going to pick here is include people with at least one of the following, and we're going to put love. Now I know you're thinking, what? That's a bit weird, that's a bit random, but just wait, you'll see in a minute. As you can see, the potential reach is absolutely massive, so there'll be a lot of people to find for you, and the estimated page likes per day is 890 to 4,900. So that is fantastic. And then scroll down and you want to exclude people who like your page black brick, so that obviously it won't advertise to people who have already liked your page, because that's just wasting money. And then we have placement, and what we're going to do here is click edit placement, and what we want to do is make sure it's only on Facebook. Click the little arrow here and make sure it's not on the right column, it's just on feeds. So as you can see, feeds is the only one ticked here. So at least one placement is required, and feeds is the only one here. So people are more likely to even look at it if it's on feeds rather than if it's on the right column. So there we go. Now leave that. So yeah, all we want to keep is Facebook and feeds. All the others just ignore. So then leave that and scroll down. Daily budget. Depending on how much you want to spend each day and depending on how many likes you want to get each day, you can change this, but I'm just going to keep it at 25. You can move it down to 5 or 50 or whatever you want, but I'm just going to leave that at £25 for now. Obviously, if this is dollars, it would be different, but I'm from Britain, so this is just in British pounds. Now we have schedule, so you can schedule when you want it to start and end, or you can just say set continuously starting today. So it will just run forever unless you click stop, basically in the advert manager. And this will just tell you that it will spend no more than £175 a week, but it's also not likely that we will spend £25 a day, so don't worry. Bid amount is automatic. We're just going to leave that as automatic how it is, and then we're just going to keep scrolling down. As you can see, it says it's going to be page likes, so people will see page likes. Okay, so keep scrolling down, and you can also tick hide advanced if you want to, but that's just where we were looking at the advanced options, so it's not too important, and we can just leave the rest of that and click continue. Awesome. And now what we're going to do is click single image, and then we're going to add an image. We're going to remove this image first, so there's no image there. We're going to put like to share the love, just like that, question mark, so that people don't feel like you're telling them to do it. It's just like, if you want to, you can. It's like a question. So yeah, we're going to leave that like that, and we're going to set this just here as desktop. That's just what you're going to preview it as, so don't worry yet. We'll be adding an image in just a second. I know it sounds quite random, like to share the love, but trust me, for cheap likes, this is what you want to be doing. And then landing view, just leave that as default as well. And all the rest of it, just leave as default. Okay, so now for the image, we're going to add a new tab and just go to Google Images and type love. Scroll down until you find one which looks like this one here. So as you can see, this one with the leaf just here. Possibly actually the one above it. So yeah, we're going to go to this one, right click it and go save image as, and then just hit enter so that you save the image. And then we're going to upload image, and the one that we've just uploaded, the one we've just downloaded, sorry. So select that, and as you can see, this is what the advert will look like. So as you can see, we've already got 8,921 page likes, and this cost us not really anything at all, and it was in about 4 or 5 days, I think. I can't remember, but I like to save my money, and I don't like to spend so much money, so I stopped the advert. But yeah, if you just keep going on and on and on, you can just keep getting more and more and more likes. You could get literally millions. It's absolutely amazing. And then all you need to do now is click confirm. So click that and let it load. And here you go. Your items have been confirmed. You'll receive a notification once your adverts have been reviewed. So that's that. All you need to do then is click continue, and it'll take you back to your advert manager, and then you'll be taken to it. So as you can see, pending review. Awesome. So that's that. That's all you need to do. Easy as that. So hopefully you now understand what you need to do, and hopefully this works well for you. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, I hope you enjoyed, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.